So networking, what is it? As Kate said, I've actually run this session the last couple of years, and this is what the teams have said. Somebody said a more formal form of socialising, gaining contacts, reading better, gaining contacts for a certain purpose.
So I've basically spoken to quite a lot of mentors. I've spoken to around 2 initially, and there's another 2 more. I think the last 2 have been really helpful. Susan and Simon have been really excellent mentors during this particular networking event, because they were able to give me some very practical insights about my career and about life in general, especially because, you know, being an international student here has been really difficult as well, very challenging. So I've been immersed to different kinds of challenges, and they have really reinforced my confidence in myself, especially because that is, I think, very important skill. Confidence in the way you believe in your integrity, and being true to yourself, I think, is very important. What I've learned basically with networking is that it's very important to build credibility and integrity as well. And I think more than anything else, more than speaking and more than talking to somebody else, you really have to listen. And I think listening is a very important skill, especially with networking, because you want it to not just try to speak or voice out whatever knowledge or whatever insights you have, but you also need to look at the different perspective, which could be very helpful in your pursuits, in your career, or in life in general.
So today's session was about helping them to think, what is networking? Why do you network? What are the benefits? How do you go about it? But I think at the stage where the students are at, it's quite common for them to actually feel a bit nervous. It can be intimidating. They might have some concerns. They might not feel confident. And to actually help them understand that it's very natural to feel that, to have those reservations. So just trying to help them to feel comfortable about what it is, the importance of planning, and then put it into practice and learn and go from there.